welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm here with G and Marshall, and G saw Marshall battle Sangeeta recently in a MasterChef style mystery box challenge, so she's very keen to battle with him today.
She's keen because I won that one and she wanted to challenge the winner of that challenge.
I'm going to take the trophy today.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
100.
And you're not allowed to make the same thing as last time either.
Yeah,
No
no funny business.
Yeah.
Damn.
You can't make an apple and juice.
Alright.
Just have a look at what's under here.
What?
Just remove that.
Oh, so yummy.
Ah, what's that? Oh.
Okay.
So I'll just show you what we have. We have like leftover cake and chocolate shards. We have chocolate ganache, coconut cream, whipped white chocolate coconut cream, some bits of leftover cake. I recently had my 30th wedding anniversary.
Oh, congratulations. Congrats.
So yeah, that was a bit of cake that's left over.
Nice.
We can do the same challenge when you have your 40th.
Well, that was well. Yeah. And so we
10-year goal.
we have fruit, and we have chocolate, dates, and other dried fruit, coffee, maple syrup, coconut sugar, spelt flour, nuts.
Interesting.
Desiccated coconut, cacao powder. So there's a lot of things that you have here that you could work with. If anyone has leftovers, there's a lot of things you can do with the leftovers. So it's like you could do decorations, garnishes, toppings for desserts, cake pops, truffles, cake shapes or smoothies, making ice cream or mixing into ice cream. Layered desserts like trifles, tiramisu, bread puddings, crumbles, lamingtons, brownies, cookies, slices, pie crusts and fillings, French toast, toasted slices with topping, or pancakes or sauces. So there's a lot of different things you could do, but I'm leaving it up to you today to see what you can come up with. Now.
All right, awesome.
Okay.
Let's do this.
I would like to take...
What do you mean? No, you can have to half this.
Okay.
I had my eye on it too.
But you have to share the ingredients.
Yeah, you have to share the ingredients.
Yeah. And feel free to taste the ingredients too. To see what goes well with what.
You have the cupcake holder?
Yes.
Okay. What was that? So I'm trying to like be sneaky because I don't want him to steal my ID.
Can I have the cupcake holders?
Sorry.
No. I literally thought of it. I literally thought of it. I literally thought of it.
Swear to God.
Here you go.
How do you take the best pieces?
No, that's not fair.
He takes the best pieces and gives you the crumbs.
Marshall wants to melt chocolate and he had it on a very high heat. So I'm telling him, put it on a low heat.
Oh, okay.
Because otherwise you'll burn the chocolate.
I see.
And you don't want to burn it or it'll be bitter.
Alright, so I'm going to make cupcakes. I'm going to use the leftover of the cake, of the chocolate cake.
Yeah.
And then this is the
vanilla.
Vanilla cake.
Yeah.
So I'm going to like mash it and make it back into dough.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to put them in here, like lay them up.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to top them up with creativity.
That sounds good. Actually, if you wanted to make it easier, you could put that in a blender.
Oh, that's right.
And you could blend it and it
Alright, make it better.
Yeah.
See? Thank you. This is why you should subscribe and like this video and follow Lavender Coco. I'm gonna make the best leftover cupcakes. I don't know what he's doing. What's this? So I'm only putting half the dough in there.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna layer it with some cashew spread.
Yeah, it's like cashew coconut.
Yeah, coconut in the middle. And then I'm gonna put more dough on top.
I think one of them might have to take over my show.
Hey!
They're making such tasty treats.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
good question.
Can you tell us what you're doing, Marshall?
don't know
It's
what
like a ice cream sandwich,
Oh, that's nice.
Right.
but I
For
also
what?
probably have to. I also probably have to make some ice cream
Well, yeah, if you want to make ice cream, you
on the side.
have to start it now because it takes about 20 minutes.
Here, sorry, disqualified.
Do
Okay,
you want to make any? I can get you the ice cream maker out.
I do. Okay, what are some good ingredients that are? Can I put this in?
Yeah, coconut cream is good for ice cream.
How much can I put? Say like small portion.
You probably need all of that.
All of it?
Yeah.
No, what do you mean? No,
I'll
I need
take-
some.
I'll
I
take-
need some.
Well, yeah, I've got more coconut in the cupboard.
Okay,
if you
fine.
want. I'll get some more.
Yes.
But does it look as nice as this?
It should be the
Okay,
same.
alright.
Here, G. There.
Actually,
Where?
for you it might be better to use some of that too, so it's a little more liquid.
You can't take all of
Don't
it.
take my ingredients!
Don't try it in the kitchen.
Okay,
We're gonna
so
get kicked out.
You need a spoon because it goes solid in cold weather.
the whole tub.
Yeah, you need to put probably the whole can in there.
See, this is called art.
Yeah, very nice.
Not like what he's doing.
Really interesting. Yeah,
But does it taste like art though?
Well, art doesn't always taste good.
yeah, exactly.
Sometimes it's hard to
I know.
swallow. I deserve to win, guys.
Well, it's about the tasting, isn't it?
No!
Well, as soon as they taste as good as they look.
What, did you? Oh. You finished it.
There's more.
That was my portion.
There was more. Was there not more?
No. Sabotage. He's disqualified.
Oh, no.
How dare you, Marshall?
You can use this one. I made it for both of us.
Oh, so sweet.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna call this dish volcano explosion.
Wow. This is volcano eruption too.
I got boiling water because we want to make the chocolate a bit thinner. So you just add a little
Oh,
bit
here,
and
let me.
mix it.
No, who invited you?
This is.
Mix it quick. You gotta mix it fast. And that should thin it out without, making it seize up or anything.
Oh no. Oh no.
You can get rid of this.
Alright, let's do this again.
Try again. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Put in bits to show what flavours in each cake.
Yes.
A very clever idea.
Just call me Einstein.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay, time's up, everyone. Time's up. It looks like you all finished before the time was up, which was really good.
Bonus points.
Yeah. Well, you finished probably about 5 minutes early,
Yeah.
so that is a good bonus.
Yeah. That means I win, guys.
Well,
What is that?
Don't worry about it.
we'll each have a spoon so we can all taste these
Okay.
wonderful
These ones?
creations.
Oh,
Okay.
lovely.
So I just want to say great job to both of you because these are really amazing. And I think it's going to be really hard to decide a winner here.
Mm.
Me.
I really need someone to help me.
I'll help you.
And Marshall, of course, has carved an apple again.
At this point, it's just banned.
Yeah, he
Just ban me
automatically
with-
gets
Ban me with
Yeah.
apples.
2+ points for that.
But G
That's how it
finished hers first, so she
Okay.
gets bonus for that.
Mm.
And they really look beautiful. They both do. And I really like the way that you put like the ingredients that's in the cake on the outside, so that we know what we're going to be eating. So that, and it's so artistically presented as well.
Thank you.
And you did a good job by turning the old cake into new cakes. And so did you. You've made a layer cake there.
It's a simple but humble dish.
Yeah. But it looks really nice.
Thank you.
It looks really like, you know, delicious. Like you just want to get into that. Because I love ice cream and cake together. One of my favourite things.
I can put it in a term. They marry each other.
Oh yeah, they do. They marry very well.
Explains the love heart.
They marry well.
Yeah, so he's done
Not
two
divorce,
parts.
not divorce, marry. All right.
And actually, I see you put maple syrup in the hearts.
I did for
Something else you could do is you could have put the chocolate in there.
I could have.
And it might have made it like pop a bit more.
Well, actually, that looks really good. The layering.
Yeah, you've done good layering there.
Thank you.
That's good. That's really good.
It looks really good.
It's very nice ice cream.
The ice cream's quite
really
light.
Well.
It's quite light, I realise.
And coconut goes well with chocolate. It's really good.
But mine's better.
Some nice layers of chocolate cake.
That's right.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see in there, but there's layers of cake and cream, which looks really nice with the berries. Yeah, that's really good too. Very nice. And I like the goji berry. And that also goes well with the coconut and the chocolate.
I knew that.
And it really makes you feel like you're eating something healthy.
Yeah.
So, how about you taste each other's dishes and see what you think?
All right.
Okay. I like this one.
It's really good.
What do you think of each other's dishes?
I think that's really nice.
I haven't even tried mine, but
I love the ice cream.
Yeah, I like
The ice cream is really nice.
Yeah.
there's more ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Mine's amazing.
So amazing.
The ice cream.
Competition though. Your cake.
That's so true. Oh, that's so
Well,
true.
that's a good
Oh,
point.
that means in the end you won. Like
Yeah.
no
Well,
one.
actually, I'm really on the winner. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.